Hey everyone, this is Neha here. Welcome to my cooking channel Creative Cook House. Today I am going to share a easy snacks recipe with you. This you can make for your breakfast or evening snacks. Even you can make for your tiffin, kids tiffin. Open tawa toast. Let's start making it. I have taken 1/4 cup of finely chopped cabbage, finely grated carrot 1/4 cup, finely chopped onion 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup malai or cream, salt as per your taste, chopped coriander leaves, some mixed herbs and chili flakes. And of course we need breads. I have taken 4 to 6 bread slices. In a mixing bowl, first we'll add chopped onion. Now we'll add the cabbage. I have taken cabbage and carrot. You can take as per your choice of vegetables. Now we'll add the carrot. Now we'll add the coriander leaves, mix herb, chili flakes and salt as per your taste. Now we'll mix all the ingredients and now add the cream. Now mix it well so that it will be well combined. Our mixture is ready. Now we'll put the mixture on the bread. Here I have taken normal bread and I have a round cookie cutter. I'll cut the bread in a circle. Don't waste these extra breads. You can make breadcrumbs out of it. Or if you want, you can make with this square one also. Now we'll take 1.5 teaspoon of this mixture and spread it gently on the bread. Give some pressure so that the mixture will stick to the bread. In the same way, we'll make all the slices. Here are all breads are ready. Now we will heat up a tawa. Better to take non-stick tawa. Now grease the tawa with little bit of ghee or butter. If you want, you can take butter also. Now take a slice of bread and put it by the back side, or which side you have put it the vegetable, you have to put this side. Press it little so that our cream will leave oil, and with that oil the vegetable will be cooked and get crispy. It will take at least 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will flip the toast. See, it get so nice brown color. Now increase your flame and let it cook for at least 1 minute. In between we'll see from the downside whether it has cooked or not, because time may vary as per your flame. My toast are ready from both the sides. Now switch off the flame. Now we'll transfer it in a plate. In the same way we'll make all the bread slice. For garnishing, we will cut the bread into half. Now place into your plate, serving plate. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how your recipe turned out. Serve this hot, crispy, open bread toast to your guests and family and enjoy eating. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.